Did you know your glass of wine or pint of beer can have so much more other than alcohol? Let's dig deep. Hidden inside could be a lot of heavy metals, toxins like lead, cadmium, arsenic, silently harming your liver, your kidney, and even your brain.
Drink alcohol? Alcohol.
That India is also the world's fifth biggest alcohol market.
A sobering new study about the long-term effects of alcohol, having just one drink a day could impact your brain.
So let's start with the wine. Because of vineyard soils and aging processes, what happens is wine gets arsenic, lead, cadmium, and copper. Red wines in particularly carry more manganese and iron, and copper residues from antifungal sprays are not uncommon. While you think you are sipping something very elegant, you may also be sipping metal, which you don't want to do. Beer isn't spared either, so don't think wine nahi le sakta to beer le lunga. Because the brewing vessels, the water and the soil, it can leave behind lot of lead, cadmium, chromium, nickel in your beer. And if your beer comes from a can, you may also get a very high dose of aluminium. So guys, that's not exactly a refreshing drink you want, right? So now let's talk about vodka, rum or whiskey. Distillation does remove many impurities, so they usually contain fewer metals. But depending on the raw material and the equipment used to make them, you can still end up with some excess copper in your drink. So you are wise, you can make your choices, and remember, this is not what you want to take inside your body. So here's the real danger. Even if these heavy metals and minerals, they are in very minor quantities also, they really can create havoc in your body. They can affect your liver, your kidney, neurodegenerative diseases, and this is not all. They are also responsible for cancer risk. But the moment you drink more, remember, you are silently aging your body faster than you think, and you are creating problems that you don't want in your body. Stay healthy, stay safe.
मैं सच्ची बताऊं नैनदीप, मुझे बड़े सारे लोग पूछते हैं कि अरे आप उस फेस में से बाहर कैसे निकले, वाओ क्या आपकी करेज है। ये मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जिनको वक्त पे छोड़ देना चाहिए। वक्त के साथ शायद अपने आप ही ठीक होती हैं। मुझे जब मीडिया ने लिखना शुरू किया, अरे ये तो दारू में डूबा रहता है, ये तो ख़त्म हो गया है, तो मेरी माँ अमृतसर में थी, मैं बुला नहीं रहा था उनको, क्योंकि वो आएंगी तो वो देखेंगे कि हाँ ये पी रहा है। जब आप ठीक करने जाते हो ना उन चीज़ों को, वो और वर्स्ट होती जाती हैं आई थिंक, क्योंकि आप सही स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में नहीं होते हो, आप उस समय पीस में नहीं होते हो। सो मुझे लगता है कि जब सब लगे ना कि कुछ उल्टा सीधा चल रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा बैठ जाना चाहिए, वेट करना चाहिए।